828 Find Adventure here. Hey, I've been thinking about getting a new rear bumper, something a little more substantial, solid steel, something that'll be kind of a deterrent for those tailgaters. So let's check it out and see what I got to work with. As you can see, I have the plastic end caps. I do have sensors. I like this texture on top you can step on, but I don't have anything here like I can put my foot like some of the Chevys have. So I'm gonna have to go with an aftermarket bumper. I do have a trailer hitch because I've got the towing package and the 7-pin and 4-pin connectors, and some lights. I have 2 sets of sensors. Let's see, what do I have? Yeah, so I have 2 sensors on each side. More plastic. It does have steel underneath. I don't know if you can see that. It does have steel reinforcements. There's the valves for my airbags. More steel right here. It's not going to do much in a collision though. That's all going to fold up. The only thing saving you is the back of the trailer hitch here. So, like I said, I really like this step that's on top. It's on there really solid, even though it is all plastic. All of this is just cheap plastic. Like I said, I really like this step that's on the rear bumper, but it is all plastic. This is plastic, this is plastic. I'm surprised those sensors stay in there. There's metal behind it, but not much. The only thing that's going to save you in a wreck, like I said, is this trailer hitch. If they hit you center, if they hit you to the left or to the right, you're going to end up getting a crumpled tailgate and a crumpled quarter panel here, which is, you know, that's going to be a long term in the at the body shop that you'll be without your truck, and it probably won't match. I've never seen them match paint correctly. You know, if they have to remove this skin, do you know what a pain that'll be? They have to remove my topper, my bed rug, everything. It'll just be a complete cluster. And I'll be without the truck for months, and I don't want to deal with that. And I live in an area where everybody tailgates, and there's lots of accidents. So I'm thinking about upgrading the bumper. When I did that on my Tacoma, it was a huge deterrent. People quit tailgating because they didn't want to run into my bumper. It gave me a little peace of mind that they would stay back about 8 feet and they wouldn't like ride up on my bumper, because they knew that if I had to stop short and they hit that, their car's toast. So anyways, that said, one of the bumpers I'm looking at is a rough country. Like I said, again, it has the little places to step right here to get into the back of your bed. That would help, since I have my truck lifted a couple inches in the back due to the airbags and the cradles. And it does have some nice steps on top. So anyhow, if you would leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on rear bumpers, and I would really appreciate that, and I will get right back to you too. I try to get back to comments in about, you know, as soon as I can, 24 hours. So anyways, so let's look at some other things I'm thinking about upgrading on this truck. First, the rear bumper. So the front bumper is made up of a lot of different parts, and it connects a lot of different things, and it has to come off a certain way. So I'm kind of thinking I might go the route of one of those hidden hitch small bumpers that goes in this section right here, and it's just, you just have to cut out some of this plastic, then it goes in there and you have a place for a winch. I've also thought about just putting a front receiver hitch on it. I'm thinking about removing this. It suits a great function, but it really sits too low for my taste. I would like it to be about right here, and I'm trying to figure out how I can do that and mount the lights up higher without causing problems removing the grill, because to change the headlight bulbs you got to be able to remove the grill. It's one of Tundra's flaws. I've also thought in the future I might put some stronger springs on the front of the truck and put an ARB bumper on the front to hold a winch, but that's a real heavy bumper, and I'll need some springs that can, you know, heavy duty, like the old man emus that are like 200-pound plus, and those would be adequate enough to support that bumper without giving me sag in the front, because I love a leveled vehicle. So, you know, you can you know, give me your thoughts on front bumpers. What do you like? It does need to be winch compatible, because I'm just thinking in the future, on down the road, for some adventures planned. I definitely want to be able to put a winch in there and a place to put different lights if I want to. Like, you know, I love the bumper on the Raptors. I don't think they have a place for a winch, but they have a place to hold several LED lights, which is really nice. I've got my share of lights. I don't want to go too much. It'll start to look like a Sears and Roebuck accessory truck, and if anyone knows what that means, and I don't want to do that. But I do want to upgrade this front bumper eventually. First will be the rear, then will be the front. And I need to do something with these. I really want to raise them up, but I'm kind of lacking in the mounting points. So anyways, tell me what you think about that, and I want your opinions on front bumpers. If you have any ideas, what you've used, maybe you can direct me towards some websites. Just comment, and I will get back to you. I really appreciate that. And that's about all on bumpers today. You know, I'm gonna do the rear first. I'm gonna do, you know, I'm looking at the rough country. It seems to have everything I want. Places for sensors, the little step pads. But send me some suggestions and let me check out those. You know, I'm looking for something strong that is not only strong but can be a good deterrent. You know, it would be nice if they had places for D-rings on the rough country bumper, but they don't. But we'll just have to see. Y'all show me some, you know, y'all make some suggestions and show me some bumpers, and you know, I'd really appreciate that. And hopefully I can come to a decision on it soon, and I can show you how to take your bumper off and also put a new bumper on. Well, that's my plans. That's gonna make a few videos, maybe one video, you know, replacing the bumper, maybe two, we'll see. You know, I wish there was a video out there that showed another way to install headlight bulbs in a Toyota Tundra besides removing the grille. You know, if y'all have any other suggestions, you know, if you can go up underneath the wheel tub here, right there. I don't know if that's, you know, I think in the Toyota owner's manual it says do that, but I don't even think that's possible. But anyways, that's what I got. Throw me some suggestions on a rear bumper and I would really appreciate it. Well, that was cool. On my adventures today, I got to see a Kimbo on the back of a Tacoma. That is an awesome camper. Very insulated for cold weather. I'm sure in hot it's the same. It does a great job, and it's super lightweight. Well, there you go. Let's finish up this video. You know, I'm looking for a rear bumper. Got sidetracked by a Kimbo on the back of a Tacoma. But that was pretty cool to see. Anyways, you know, let me know in the comments below what kind of bumpers you have or you've looked at and researched. You never know what's out there until somebody puts it in front of your face. So please comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. And I will get back within like 24 hours. I try to do that with all of them, sometimes quicker. So, you know, just another thing that I'm working on, saving my money for. And, you know, we'll see what I end up with. I will do an install video. So that'll entail, you know, removing the bumper on the Tundra right now. I wish I had done that with the Tacoma when I put a big steel bumper on there. God, man. People are blocking my lane. And anyways, you know, like I always say, like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And I will see you next time. See ya.